Hey guys, so today we're going to be making pancakes. We're still going on with our video-a-thon.
Yeah,
as
they
you can
got
tell.
really cool aprons.
Let's stand breath.
I don't think they could see it any better, but...
Okay, as you can see, we kind of just woke up.
Yeah.
So,
wait, should we tell
all the
them all the
ingredients.
ingredients that we put in?
This isn't really going to make pancakes. Right here.
I knew that.
Okay.
The ingredients we put in, we just doubled this, you guys.
Just don't double it, just say normal.
This is normal though. 1 egg, 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of regular sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. So, yeah.
So we added them all.
It looks pretty gross right now.
Yeah, we're stirring.
It looks like barf.
What's the regular recipe? How many pancakes does it make?
Shush.
So we're basically, we put our eggs in first and we had to whip that till they're
Start
fluffy.
heating up the stove thing.
So
put a small pan on because I want to make mini pancakes. They're so cute.
where's your small pan?
It's in there. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Not for the stove.
Oh,
We're gonna put pancakes in the oven.
I forgot.
This one? Not this one.
Yeah. And start heating it up.
Show them the... Guys, this is the pan we're using. It's really small.
We're making mini pancakes.
Quiet on set.
On camera.
Great.
What?
Yeah. It's so cool watching her put her contacts in. You just open your eyes and be like, on set.
You guys, this is what our pancakes look like right now.
I just sprayed the pan with some non-sticky vegetable oil stuff.
I'm really disturbed, actually. This looks really gross. But...
Mom, I'm using your mom plate for the pancakes.
I think we need some music.
Okay. Now let's put it on the oven. Stove thing. Bob.
We're doing this in one continuous shot. No editing, you guys. No editing.
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 Okay, so
Oh, you can see our aprons better now. Mine's
all set up
cooler.
hot stuff. Mine's custom made. Okay, so this thing should be hot-ish. Yeah, it's hot. Whoa, that's high. That's okay. Okay, so now let's pour some in. Can you see this?
Yes. So just pouring like barely anything.
It should flatten out.
So like, it's about this size. Take your 2 hands, maybe like a fist size. Put a fist size in.
What's on my arm? Yeah, it's like that big.
Grace, we can't do music. TV's on.
Okay.
What music?
Music.
Not my music.
Okay.
Okay.
You said you wanted music.
No, I didn't.
I did.
Oh.
So you guys, wait, we need to show them our jack-o'-lantern. It's pretty dang cool, and he's
Also
kind
have
of
a
messy
guitar.
now. Okay, so we're gonna flip our pancakes
Not right now.
after like what, 2 minutes?
No, God no.
I thought you had no money.
It looks pretty good. Oh God. I suck at this.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I got this. It's like stuck under it. Oh God. I did it.
It ripped though. So you guys, our pancakes look kind of golden. Let me show you. Yeah. That's a pretty dang good pancake right there.
And if you're not,
Holy hotness over the stove.
but if you're not sure, if you're not sure if it's like
No edit, you guys.
good yet, then just like poke it in the middle and see if any juice comes out.
Because if juice comes out, then
Then
it's
no,
just...
not ready.
And then you guys have a plate ready because These are gonna go really
Ready?
quick.
Ready?
Oh, just flipped it on a plate. So there's a plate.
Next time you spend the night, we can make omelets.
Be ready for that, guys.
Or we can make
Requests from
omelets
the
for lunch.
store, girls?
What?
Any requests from the grocery store?
Corn syrup. Huh? Oh. Strawberries?
That's from the produce place.
Oh, then just yummy stuff.
Okay. Just what?
Yummy stuff.
Yummy stuff. You got it.
So you guys, actually, this is probably gonna be like
Snacks though.
45
Yeah, I'll go
seconds. Just like sitting here.
It's like medium high. No, stop dripping.
And you guys, this is our finished product of these pancakes. Just some ideas to put on a pancake. Syrup, butter, peanut
Wow.
butter.
You're creative. No, we ate them. Oh god, it's burnt. I burnt it.
Whatever, it's fine.
I forgot to add vegetable oil. That's that smell. Oh god. Can you guys smell that? Oh god.
Should I put some vegetable oil in that thing right there?
I got this. Look at the steam. See this?
Be sure to put that on, you guys, or Pam, because that
It'll
will
stink.
happen.
And it'll burn.
It'll burn and stink. So that's a not to do right here.
I put it on the good side for a reason. Oh, I made a heart. See that? Oh. It's a heart. How cute. Why does it still stink?
So you guys,
I think it's like cooking faster.
should we just tell them that that's all their thing? Ooh,
It cooks faster now. I'm gonna turn the heat down.
what happened?
Why is it whistling? This is not good. I'm throwing this one out.
Yep. So you guys, that's how you make a normal pancake.
The first one.
The first one was normal, so just follow the first.
It stinks. My god.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment what you want our next video to be.
vegetable oil.